problem? You might be thinking, what's wrong? And in my last video on TikTok, you would have seen that my head gasket was leaking a whole bunch of oil. And yes, we did fix the oil leak, but now we have developed yet a new problem. You just take a quick peek at this guy right here, and this guy right here, and that guy right there. Something's wrong. Cylinder 3 is misfiring. To be exact, it is misfiring 65 times average every minute while idling. So what does that mean for the car? Now, I have one of my friends coming to help me look at it. We're going to go fully in depth and figure out what exactly is wrong. Now, on a 25-year-old car like this, things like this are bound to happen. Honestly, if it's not the spark plugs, it's honestly probably the fuel injectors. They've never had a flush, and now it might be time. But I'm going to document this experience because it is a great learning experience.